Hi, this is Chris Macias with the Sacramento Bee, and welcome to our annual fireworks test. A group of us gathered recently at Fire Station 105 in the Arden Arcade area to judge some of the fireworks sold this year by Phantom and TNT. With bellies full of chili dogs and braving clouds of sulfur smoke, we all took copious notes. Which fireworks blew our minds and which ones fizzled? Here are some highlights from our fireworks test. Let's take a look at Phantom Joker's Wild, a firework that comes in a 3-pack and sells for just $9.99. Our judging panel thought the price was nice, and one judge said, "It's like my juice boxes are on fire." Now, let's light off Oblivion. This firework from TNT was a big hit with our judging panel, who noted its epic shower of sparks. One judge called it, "Loud and large, I am thankful to be at a firehouse." Let's take a look at Phantom's Peacock tail fan fountain. This oddly shaped firework was described by one judge as looking like an alien head and got high marks for its, quote, "sparks flying everywhere." But at $29.99 and lasting just 52 seconds, another judge felt this firework was too short-lived. And finally, it's the mother of all fireworks finales with TNT's opening show. This firework costs $59.99 and packs 500 grams of powder, the maximum allowed by law. One judge described it as like an atomic bomb except for happy and beautiful and multicolored. Another simply said, best legal firework ever.